Hello everyone. In the previous session, we have started our project for Britannia Industries implementation. We have seen about the business process also. This is the business process which we have mapped, which we have understood. Okay, so this is the business, right? Now, uh, today we are going to start our project in SAP system. Okay, so this is SAP server. One second. So this is the SAP system. So our team will help you like how to install this GUI application, and uh, after uh, after installing this GUI application, we will be adding the server details like to which server you are going to connect for your learning purpose. Okay, without SAP server, we cannot learn, we cannot practice. Okay, now I am going to use this server, development server. In real time, we have three servers, development, quality, production, and these three servers are called landscape. Okay, I will take a separate session on servers, landscape during our project. Now we will start understanding about business process of materials management. Now, let me take development server. This is my server. You will also get the server details from my team. So let me log in, double click. The server which we are using right now is ECC 6.0 Enhancement Pack 7. EHP means Enhancement Pack 7. This is like a version. So we are working in ECC. After completion of ECC, we will start working in S4 HANA also. No worries. I'll be teaching you both the versions. So now coming to login to SAP, this is the client. So client is nothing but server number, and this will be the user ID and password. You can keep your own password. So we can log in SAP with multiple languages like German, uh, French, English, Chinese, Japanese, etc. But we generally go with English language. Press enter. Some specific clients will be there. So I have worked with one of the client in French. So they wanted to log in French. They wanted to operate SAP in French. In that case, we customize in French language. Okay, enter. But that is very very rare case, so 99.999% will go with English only. That's it. Yeah, once you log in to SAP, you will get a screen. That screen is called SAP Easy Access Screen. Okay, so this is the screen. This screen is used by business users. Who is business users? End users. Okay, I told you, right? So end users are nothing but business users. They will be working everywhere in all the departments in the organization. They will use this easy access screen. Purchasing people, they will go if they wanted to create a purchase order, they will go to logistics, they will go to materials management, they will go to purchasing, they will go to purchase order, they will create a purchase order here. Okay, so purchase order, vendor, material, okay, stock inward, stock receipt, okay, purchase requisition, quotation, everything, whatever the business needs, reports, everything will be done in easy access. So finance people, they will be working under accounting, whereas logistics people, they will be working under logistics. Again, we are materials management, right? So we'll be working under materials management. Sales people will be working under sales and distribution. Everyone will be having their own user ID and password. The server will be one. So the server, whatever I am using, suppose we are all working for Britannia Industries means this is the server. Everybody, MM, FICO, SD, everybody will connect to this server only. Okay. Now, if I want to create a purchase order, I cannot create purchase order. Suppose if I want to create a purchase order here in the system, I don't have vendor. Okay, so if I go inside, I don't have purchasing organization, I don't have purchasing group, I don't have company code. So without all these configurations, how can we create purchase order? It is not possible, right? Okay, now let's go back first. So now consultants will come into the picture during implementation. We are all consultants now. Now we will go to tools, we will go to customizing IMG. Okay. And okay, no worries. So tools, customizing IMG, SPRO. So end users will be working with SAP Easy Access Screen, whereas consultants will be working with SAP, sorry, SPRO IMG screen. Okay. Consultants will be working with under tools, customizing IMG, SPRO. SPRO is an interview question. SAP project reference object. This is the full form of SPRO. Okay. Double click on SPRO. You will be getting IMG. Click this IMG. This is the screen. Okay. This is the screen where consultants will be doing configurations. So finance people will be working and they will be going to enterprise structure definition. Finance people will be working here, whereas we will be working under logistics, will be working under materials management. Okay, here we need to set up the complete system. Not only here, there are so many steps again coming down. So once we do the setup here, then only we can able to create a purchase order under this notes. Okay, under this. Now, what we have to do in our system means we have to first work on configurations. First work on configurations. Then we have to work on master data. Then we have to work on transactions, and after transactions we have to see the reports. This is the complete process that we are going to learn during our sessions. Okay, I'll try to put it somewhere in the kickstart itself. Okay, this is the process. SAP process from implementation to reports. Okay, this is the process just for idea. Okay, now what I will do, I will do the implementation in this sheet. Okay, I'll divide this sheet into serial number, transaction, transaction code, creation code, explanation. Okay, now if you see here, so serial number means steps I'll be explaining you here, and each transaction I'll be explaining you here. For this transaction, SAP has given a shortcut that is called transaction code. I'll be explaining you transaction code here and what we are creating. For each transaction, we need to create in our SAP system. Whatever I am creating in our SAP system, that I am going to show you as a creation code. And for each transaction, whatever I am going to explain you theoretically, that I am going to write it here. Okay. So this explanation is almost enough even for interview purpose as well. So once you have complete the course, once you have time, then you can explore on the remaining theoretical part. Okay. But what I am explaining here is most important and mandatory. Okay. Now, so in our SAP, let's go to tools, and I told you SPRO, right? Let's go to SPRO IMG. And one more thing, small uh, information. So once you log into SAP, once you see SAP Easy Access screen, first go to extras and go to settings. Please activate display technical names checkbox. Why? Because if you don't activate this, you will get a problem during your material creation. You'll get confused. Okay. So this will enable you to see the technical names also. What is technical names? Going forward, I'll explain you. Don't worry. And one more thing, go to system, user profile, own data, go to default. Please make this decimal notation as comma format. Okay, this is the comma format. This is the comma format. Comma means like Indian accounting format or normal accounting format. It will be like dot format. Kindly change it. Save. That's it. These are the two common settings that you can fix it up. Now let us go to configurations, tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO, or I can do one more thing. This is the transaction code bar. I can enter SPRO directly here. If I press enter, it is taking to that screen, IMG screen. What is IMG? IMG stands for Implementation Guide. Now in implementation, whenever we are doing a implementation project for any company, first thing we have to work on enterprise structure. This is the first thing we have to work on. So this is the enterprise structure, first thing. Okay. So coming to enterprise structure will be done by different consultants. I'll go to enterprise structure, definition. Here, finance people will be working, controlling people will be working. So logistics people will be working, and we will be working, sales people will be working. Everyone will be working in this enterprise structure. Now we need to start working for materials management. But if I wanted to start working for materials management, first we need to have some of the finance configurations. Okay. So let me show you first few finance configurations, and then we'll go to MM. Coming to finance configurations, it would be done by FICO consultant, FICO consultant in real time. But we don't have FICO consultant with us, right? We have to do by ourselves. It will be very easy only. So let me do one by one. First one, I will go here. Please go to additional information, display key, document. Okay. Here, what finance people will be doing? uh, they will be creating company code. Company means, okay, I'll even explain what is company. Company is a group. Okay. So Britannia Industries belongs to Wadia group, right? If you want to create a Wadia group in our SAP system, then they will create a company. But for us, it's not required. That is the responsibility of FICO consultant. But now company code is mandatory for us. If we wanted to do anything in MM, first thing is we need company code. Click on execute button, edit company code data. We can even copy. So in general classes, normally we'll show the copy functionality, but copy functionalities will not help you. You will get lot of errors and that will not be smooth for your entire journey. So what I am doing, I am just helping you with creation. We'll build this finance also, so it will be easy for us. So we can even grow with integration level, cross module level. Okay. So let's go to this one first. This can be called as create company code. This is the transaction. This is the transaction. And for this transaction, we have a shortcut. What is the shortcut? The shortcut is transaction code. Last four digits will be your transaction code. Okay. OX02. So I will try to keep that also in our Excel sheet. This is same even MMFI wherever OX02. I'll explain you company code. Company code is a legal entity. In our case, Britannia Industries is our legal entity. Britannia Industries is our legal entity. This is our legal entity. Okay. Now, this Britannia Industries, we have to set up in our SAP system. Okay. If I want to set up in our SAP, execute, edit company code data. So I need to set up here a new entries. So if I want to create a new entries, I should not use the entry which is already created. This I should not use. So I am planning to create Britannia Industries with 4 digits. Okay, 4 digit, because SAP has given 4 digits maximum. So I will take BI 50. Okay. Why BI 50? I can take any code. I'm taking BI 50 because if I see the position, BI means Britannia Industries star. So somebody has already created 00, 10 has been created. I can take any other number 11, 12 also, but 11, 12 also say they have created. 20 was created, 30 was created, 40 was created, 50 is not yet created. So to have a easy number, I am using 50. It's not like I have to use only 10 digits like that. I can use 29 also. Okay. So when you are starting, you can create whatever you want, no problem. Okay, any coding. How to create? Go to new entries. I'm creating company code as BI50. The name is Britannia Industries. City is Kolkata. It is located in Kolkata, registered in Kolkata. Country India. Currency INR. Language English. Suppose if you are giving something which is already created in the system, you will get an error like this. The entry is already exist. In this case, you should not create. You have to create which is not available in SAP. Okay, 50. Now go to address. Give the complete address of the company code, Britannia Industries, Kolkata, country. Region is nothing but state. In SAP, region means state. Take 25, West Bengal. Click enter button, save. Once again, save. Press enter. So first time when you are doing, no, it will be blank. Okay. So just click on this create request. Make it as MM configurations. Enter. Okay. That's it. So your company code has been created in the system. Okay. BI50. So this is one thing. BI50 is created. Creation code means whatever we are creating, that is called a creation code. Okay. Next, company code means this is the transaction. This is the standard transaction OX02. Now you can ask me, what is the purpose of this? The purpose is, suppose if I go to new session like this, if I enter, I'll go back from this screen. I'll go to new screen. OX02, if I enter, it is automatically taking me to the creation of company code screen. Very easy, right? Now I can use my SAP from SPRO, etc., etc., etc. path. Okay. Or I can use T code also, but I will use with SPRO only. Why? Because T codes are not required at this point. Wherever some cases we use T codes also, but at configuration level maximum, I'll go with path only. Okay. End user transactions will see the T code. And I will also give you the list, whatever T codes is important. Don't remember all the T codes. Okay, I'll give the important T codes and commonly used T codes. Second one, go back. Okay, I'll close this session. I am in this session. I'll go back. Now, company code is important for us to do our MM configuration. So we have created, and segments also important. Why? For reporting purpose. For segments, SAP has not given any T code. You have to go with SPRO. This is the segment. T code is not there. So keep it SPRO. Segments are used for reporting purpose. Okay. Example, brand, division, etc. Okay. Brand, division, etc. Now coming to the Britannia Industries. So I am going to create these brands. They have biscuit separately, dairy separately, snacking separately. For this, I am going to create as a brands. Okay. Let me create. I'll go to SAP, segments, new entries. It is a 10 digits. The screen is a 10-digit screen. So what I will do, BI50 is our company code, underscore biscuit, biscuits segment, BI50 underscore cake, cake segment, BI50 underscore dairy, dairy segments. In my system, it is coming automatically. Why? It's coming, it's showing in the drop down. Why? Because I have tested it earlier. Okay, I used it for testing purpose. So enough. Tomorrow, after some time, they are starting ice cream business means finance people will come and do this as well. Okay, save. These two configurations we have to do. Okay. Enough. Next one will be third one, belongs to finance only. Maintain global parameters OBY6. Now I am going with direct T code. Okay. I'll go back. I'll go back. I'll keep system here. I'll go to one more screen. OBY6. It's a finance people task. So I am going with T code. OBY6. Here there are so many company codes. Go to the position. BI50 is our company code. Double click our company code as BI50. Now fiscal year variant. There are so many things. They will take care. We no need to worry. But for our smooth running of our materials management, we need to maintain the fiscal year variant. Fiscal year is nothing but a financial year. Financial year means suppose financial year 2025 for India. Okay, I'll put it like this. India. Okay, India. In India, financial year 2025 starts from April 2025 to March 2026. So many of us will be from different non-accounting background, right? So even accounting or non-accounting, whatever, this knowledge is important. In India, when your financial year will start, even you are getting a salary, we should know all these things because we need to file income tax, everything, right? So let me show you, let me explain this part as well. Financial year 2025 means it will not start from January. In India, it will start from April. April 2025 to March 2026. That means 9 months will be in 2025 calendar year. 3 months will be in 2026 calendar year. Okay. Hope you are clear. So for India, fiscal year should be V3. Whereas in US, financial year 2025 USA, it is from January 2025 to December 2025. That is called K4. India and US. India V3, US K4. Okay. So blindly, that is not our job. It will be taken care by FICO team, but we need to understand this basic uh, financial periods concept because this will reflect in our materials management. Okay, this will reflect in our materials management. I'll show you where it will come later. Now what you do, if you are working for India, blindly take V3. If you are working for US, take K4. If you want to see the description, there are so many things, but it's okay. Where is K4? I can search from here. K4. K4 is a calendar year. What about V3? V3 is from April to March. Okay. Double click V3 because we are working for Indian company. Field status variant. This is also finance part for their financial transactions. Keep it as 0001. Otherwise, when we are creating account or when we are posting to that stock receipt, you will get an error. So just keep it as 0001. Save. This request is one-time activity. Save everything in this request only. Save. That's it. Now we have a company code. So we can start our enterprise structure configurations. Next one, MM level. This is done by MM consultants. MM consultants. It is done by MM consultants. Now what MM consultant has to do? So we need to start working on our configurations. 1 minute. Let us start our configurations, MM level configurations. So when we start a implementation project, FI people will log in with their user ID. They will create this and we need company code. They will give this company code to us. They will say that uh, FI consultant will say to MM consultant that our company code is BI50. It would be discussed in the beginning stages only and that would be decided. Okay. BI50. Next one, what we have to do, let's go to enterprise structure. Under definition, go to logistics general. Our MM configurations we will do in logistics general and also materials management. These two things are most important for us. Let's go to logistics general. Here, to evaluate our materials, our stock, we can have valuation level. First one is define valuation level. The transaction code I told you last 4 digits, OX14. Okay. Here valuation level means I'll just execute. Do you want to evaluate your materials at plant level or company code level? Normally, in any system, default it will be like uh, plant level only. Why? Because we have 2, 3 factories. Factories are created as a plants. So materials will be evaluated at plant level. Suppose if you are working for Reliance Digital, so Reliance Digital Madhapur is one plant. Bangalore, Whitefield, Reliance Digital is another plant. So I want to evaluate my materials under Hyderabad plant, under Bangalore plant, under Pune plant like that. Okay. By default, it will be a plant level. Now, nothing to be, this is just for information. Plant level. It is used to evaluate inventory at plant level or company code level. But default will be plant. You no need to do anything. Just understand and come back. Okay. Next one will be second one. Click on define, copy, delete, check plant. Click on execute button. Click on plant. We can even copy, don't copy, just will create plant. Okay, define plant. Transaction will be OX10. Plant is a factory or it can be stores also. Normally, factories will be created as a plants, stores will be created as a plants. Reliance Digital Madhapur, one plant. So Reliance Digital Kondapur, one more plant. Amirpet, one more plant. Like that, they can create the plants also as a uh, stores or factories. Okay, I have a factory in Bangalore for biscuits manufacturing. I'll create one plant. I have a factory in Hyderabad to manufacture biscuits. That also will be created as a one plant. Okay, here I'll click on define plant. So plants are 4 digits again. You can create anything. I am creating like, because I am creating BI, uh, okay. I'm going to create like this B50A. Why? Because I'm taking the consideration company code is BI50, right? So I am taking plants as B50A, B50B, B50C. Like this, I am going to create the plants. This is the assumption. So if your end user says that no Niranjan, please don't create like that, create it as a 1010, 1020, 1030. If he says to create like this, means we have to create like this. But right now I am taking this as an example. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go to B50A Bangalore biscuits manufacturing plant. I have a plant in Bangalore where all the biscuits will be manufactured. Good Day, Marigold, everything. Take this, give the same name here also. Bangalore biscuits plant. Factory calendar, give the factory calendar. Factory calendar means which calendar you are using for your holidays and all. Take standard calendar. In real time, our HR people will tell us which calendar we have to use. This country code city is not required, it's not mandatory. So sometimes the data will not be available in your systems, so keep it blank. Now go to address button. Title will be company, name will be Britannia, uh, Bangalore biscuits plant, Britannia Industries Limited. Okay, now it is in which city? It is in Bangalore, country India. Bangalore belongs to which state? Karnataka. So let us use Karnataka. 10. So this is about Karnataka. Press center. Okay, just like how you created company code in the same way. Save. Once again, press OK button. Save in your transport request. Press enter. Okay. So now plant has been created. B50A is the plant. Okay. After creation of the plant, go back, go to the materials management, maintain storage locations. Okay. One more thing I would like to tell you, there is something called division here. Division will be like this. So we can create brands as a divisions, like how in finance we have created like segments. biscuits, dairy, cake. In our MM also, we can create our divisions. Otherwise, give me 1 second. I will even take this as well. Define division. Okay. It's a standard only. I'm not going to create, just for your knowledge purpose. OVXB is the T code. Execute division. I am taking division as standard 01, which is for biscuits. Okay. I can take cross division also for everything. So I don't want division wise report, means I can take 00 as a standard. Okay. So let me show you cross division only. Okay. Let me take 00 as a cross division. I'm using this division for biscuits, dairy, snacks, cakes, everything. Okay. If you want, you can use separate, you can create and you can use it also. Next, fourth one will be, go back. Uh, we are under materials management. Under materials management, we have to work under storage location. Maintain storage location. OX09. It is used to store the materials, okay, in warehouse or in plant. Okay, plant is the right word, in plant. Okay. Now coming to the storage locations, maintain storage location, execute. Plant will be B50A is the plant. Okay. Go to the new entries. I'm creating 3 storage locations, 1000 raw material storage location, 2000 trading material, 3000 semi finished. Okay. Or shortcut you want, SF, semi finished. Fourth one, finished, finished material. Okay, FG. So these locations also will be provided by your counterpart, like your end user, your client, whoever you are, wherever the project you are working. So our client will give us our data. So we'll take data from this and we'll create in the system. Okay. So storage locations is also done, like 1000, like this, so on we have created. Okay. Now we have completed this part as well. Okay. Next one will be in MM. If we wanted to do anything, I did not save. Let me save. Maintain purchasing organization. We have company code in finance, right? In the same way, we have purchasing organization in MM. The transaction code will be OX08. This is the transaction code. Okay. It is the highest hierarchy in MM. So hierarchy means level of reporting. This is the highest level of reporting in MM or highest level of configurations in MM. So generally for one company code, there will be only one purchasing organization. So same code I am using here because 1:1 relationship mostly. Okay. Maintain purchasing organization, new entries, BI 50, purchasing organization for BI 50, save. Okay. Now go back, go to assignment. Definition is done. That is creation. Assignment means we have to do it. Go to logistics general, assign plant to company code. Sixth one, T code will be OX18. This is the T code. Now your company code is BI50. Your plant is B50A. We know this. This combination we know, but SAP doesn't know. Okay. Now we have to go to this assign company code to plant, new entries, company code BI50, plant B50A. Just map it correctly. Save in your transport request. Next one, go back. Go to materials management. And one more thing here. So if we are using division, we have to map the division as well. Let me go to this one. Assign business area to plant. Seventh one. Transaction code will be OMJ7. Okay. Execute. Plant and division. If you want to maintain plant and division combination, we can maintain the plant and division combination here. So go to the plant, new entries. Our plant is B50A. We are using division 00 and B50A 01 also I am using. So in case if you have multiple divisions, we can maintain multiple divisions also under one factory. Factory is nothing but plant in our case. Save. Yeah. So like this, we can map our divisions to our plant. There is one more thing, business area. Nowadays we are not using. If required, we can map our business areas also. This mapping of business areas again involves the FICO consultant involvement. Okay, but not required. Leave it. Save. Go back. Once again, go back. Once again, go back. So we have completed this part. If we are not doing this now, SD people will get a problem while doing their sales. Okay. Now go to materials management, assign purchasing organization to company code. This one. What did I do here? B50A plant and division I have done. Like this, we can map whatever you want. Eighth one, assign purchasing organization to company code. We have a purchasing organization. We have a company code. Purchasing organization to company code. OX01. This is the T code. Purchasing organization BI50. Now company code will be also BI50. Both are same, right? This is same. This is same. Now execute. Go to position BI50. One purchasing organization will be having only one company code. It's a interview question for you. The question will be like, how many company codes we can assign for one purchasing organization? Okay. For one purchasing organization, only one company code. But under one company code, we can have multiple purchasing organizations also. For one company code, multiple. Okay. For one purchasing organization, only one company code. Hope you understand. Company code level, it can be multiple, but purchase organization wise, for one purchasing organization, only one company code. Okay. Save. Go back. Purchasing organization to plant. Ninth one, OX17. Okay. T code. What is this? Purchasing organization BI50. Plant is B50. Click on execute. New entries. BI50 is the purchasing organization. Plant will be B50A is the plant. Save. Okay. This is the plant. Purchasing organization and plant. Okay. If you are having a Bangalore plant, Hyderabad plant, Chennai plant means you have to map all to your purchasing organizations. Okay. You have to map everything to your purchasing organizations. Again, you have to map to your company codes also. Okay. Save. Now, so we have created all these things, right? Just to show you the hierarchy, I'll go to one more screen. I'll take EC01T code. Okay. So this is for enterprise structure. I'll write it. I'll show you. Here, if you see the structure, so navigation. Okay. 1 minute. I'll go to organizational object. Let me open our company code BI. Let me find here BI50 itself. Double click. Double click on our company code. Yeah, this is the place where we can see the hierarchy. BI 50. You can see the plant. Under plant, you can see the storage locations. You can see the mapping of company code, mapping of purchasing organization. Okay. And again at purchasing organization level also you can see just like above. Okay. So this is the place where we can see our enterprise structure. Let me go back once again. Once again. To go back, this is the shortcut. So to go back, this is the shortcut or F3 key you can use in your laptop. Okay. So EC01, once again I'm repeating. Go to this structure, navigation, enter. Control F is also a shortcut to find. Okay. Control F, BI 50. If you don't want Control F now, you can use this button also, find button. Okay. Enter. Open, double click. You can see the complete flow. Okay. So like this, when you start a new job, when you go to any new company, what we will do, they will tell us the plant, they will tell us the company code. Based on that, we will try to see what is the what is the configurations they have done. Okay. Hope you are clear. Thank you. So in next session, we'll start working on material master configurations and creations. Thank you, team. Have a good day. And one more thing, kindly complete this. If you have any doubts, if you stuck somewhere, please connect with your respective team leads. They will be available immediately to help you. Okay. If any additional clarifications you want or any explanation you want or if you have any confusion also, they will clarify. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.